guys, check in guys. So this man now a car wash where the Bronx walk by. One of the member out of the Bronx walk by fleet. I go give her a facelift. So guys, just stay tuned and watch her go. So guys, I'm on my way to the car wash. Webster Avenue, I'm drive around and go check out the Mexican here. The man are the best, you hear that? Cheap car wash, the man do in and out. All cars $30. Biggest SUV is $40. You can't get better than that. And a hand car wash, the man put them finger all about in the car parts to clean it, you hear that? To the kind of feel gusty, chilly, but sunny. Perfect day, yeah, perfect. Perfect day. See the outdoors, you're not too hot, you're not too cold, just put on your light jacket because time to time you have the little chilly breeze come through, but the sun kind of blend it in. Guys, stay tuned. Check out the local car wash. Yeah, that's the boy Bronx walk by. So the man deal with it. Quick. That's how the Subaru makes it look clean. Guys, you see that stretcher? Fake car wash. It's a Webster. Anyway, take that fake car wash for Webster. Real car wash, man. You have the paper that you put in on the front. Best car wash, man, them cheap guys. You wash all the car at $30. And when the man are done, they can eat outside. Very danger. Yes, when I'm carry car, them come wash. The man they clean, the man are Mexican, are the best them. Big up Colors to the Lucky, big up yourself in California. Danger, Benny, Mika C2. Katie, big up yourself. New business owner, Katie, big up yourself. Yo, put them on a clean this. You got two of them on their mash. Car them a wash. And then plain. Now 2 more members of the fleet that have a car come wash. Bronx walk by probably them the day. I will take care of them same way. Yep. back it up some more. Make them do them thing. I don't know why it's out there now. Oops. Oh, I go up at the buff area. You don't got the paper that you put on the front?
What happened?
You don't have the paper that you put?
Yeah.
Oh, you
The
got
inside.
that? Yeah, I like that.
One or two?
I need two.
Okay.
Yeah. So the buffing starter now, the man here. You see how quick the man here working? Yeah, man. So guys, like, share, subscribe. But guys, we have to do better. We have to do better. With the video them, I have to do better. Yeah, me not really find the time to really do the video, but me I try my best. 3 jobs, guys, and then the content, yeah, it's kinda, but me I try my best. If you want subscribers, stay with me. Me I try my best to entertain the man, you see? Yeah, man. Danger, big up yourself. Sandra, you have to bring the Jeep on what, you know, Stacy. Forward with the X6. Cheap, $30. Now tariff for the panda price, so you get discount, you see it. And then take EBT card too. Then take food stamp. Don't you have to wash car, you see it. So no reason to no come wash no car. Come with the food stamp, then the Mexican take everything to wash your car. So you don't have no reason. Yeah, drive dirty car now. Danger venue, when you bring the vehicle, them come on. Don't get them washed out. Big up Colors Smith, big up all of the Jamaica YouTuber them. Big up yourself, big up my kids them. Shania, Kyra, Kenisha, big up on yourself. Raccoon, big up yourself, Raccoon. Anyway, the Raccoon, you know yourself. You are the general, you hear that? Big up yourself, Raccoon. So guys, like, share, subscribe. This is just a short video. Bouncing back from a couple months. No real video, guys. So until next time.